How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. So go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Tap your profile picture found on the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines located on top. Then go to Settings, scroll down, and select Account. Now head over to Sharing to Other Apps. Then select Facebook, and then under Account Settings, select Accounts. Now remove the account which has Facebook in it. So for this, the second account, I will click the Remove button, and then select Remove Account. Tap Continue to confirm. Just tap Yes, Remove. Now you've successfully removed your Facebook account. So just tap OK. So now whenever you change your Instagram profile, your Facebook profile will remain the same. And so that is how you change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. Thank you and have a great day.